Okay, so we are going to start with question number 13 of exercise 5C. In this question, they are saying that a bank increased the rate of interest which is to be deposited from 3.5% to 4% per annum. There is an increase in bank percentage 3.5% to 4%. This is the increase which is given, okay, per annum. Find how much more interest Susan would receive if she is deposited. Susan ने $6,400 डिपॉजिट किए, ठीक है, and they are asking के interest, how much more interest she is going to have, okay, how much more interest she is going to have if it is to be deposited for 6 months. If it is to be deposited for 6 months. Okay. Now we can have two ways to solve this question. How? First one is that you can take 3.5 as a rate. Principal will remain same, time will remain same, and you can find I directly. Then you can find 4%. Again, the solution, you will find the interest and take the difference. Okay. First of all, I am solving by this method. Beta. Principal is $6,400. Interest, I don't know. Rate is given 3.5% per annum. Time is 6 months. So when I will divide it by 12, so this will become 1 upon 2 years. Okay. So I equals to PRT over 100. I equals to P value is 6,400. Okay. P is 64. This is 3.5 and this is 0.5. When I will simplify, the rate, the interest is coming 112. Okay. I have got the interest of this one. Now I am going to solve. Again, principal is 6,400. Interest I have to find. Rate is now 4%. And time is again 6 months. So that will be again half year. Okay. I equals to PRT over 100. Right? Now what will happen? P will be 6,400, R will be 4, T will be 1 over 200. When I will simplify it, the answer is coming $128. Now, how much will be the difference when I have got this and when I have got this? What will be the difference? So difference will be 128 minus 112. And I will receive how much extra? $60 extra. This is one way to solve this question. A little bit lengthy, okay, and getting my answer, okay. Now there is another way. What is the other way? The other way is that in the start I am going to take the difference between these two. Difference of rate. What is the difference of rate I have got? So I will be 4% minus 3.5% equals to 0.5%. Okay. So I have got a difference of 0.5% rate. Okay. Now let's check What will be the value for 0.5%? Principal will be 6,400. Time will be 6 months, which is half year. Okay, and I have to find interest. Formula of interest, I equals to PRT over 100. P will be 6,400, R will be 0.5, T will be half divided by 100. Okay, 6,400 into 0.5 because of this. When I will simplify it directly, my answer is coming $16. Okay, so I am getting a $16 difference if I am going to do it like this. Okay, or if I take the difference between the rate and finding out the value of interest on that difference, I will get the answer directly. So it's your choice. You can do it in this way, finding the interest separately for both rate and then subtracting them, or first taking out the difference between the rate and then finding the value according to that difference. Okay.